On Saturday, Donald Trump suggested that presidential candidates should have to take a drug test. White House response?
Well, so you're telling me that the candidate who snorted his way through the first two debates is accusing the other candidate of taking drugs? It's a curious development in the campaign.
That's your response?
That's my response. Michelle?
Are you saying just now that you think that the sniffling or snorting, as you described it, might have been related to...
Not at all.
Okay. So what were you saying? What were you trying to get across when you said that?
I'm just trying to have a little fun. You guys are so serious today.
Well, you heard the gasps in the crowd. So.
Yeah. I was expecting more chuckles. It's probably my flawed delivery.
It's not Friday.